Hello, this is Project 4 Network for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, and the following are my specification elements that I should meet for my project. Starting off with the new post functionality. Before I showcase the functionality itself, as you can see, I'm not logged into an account and I can't really interact with any of the posts. I cannot like them, and if I visit a profile, I cannot follow the profile. And these features are strictly for logged in users. I'm going to create a random showcase account. Okay. And now I have more ways to interact. Create a new post, some random text. Okay. And it shows up in my all posts section, the post I just created. Speaking of all posts section, I should be able to see all the posts made by everyone, and they should be ordered by recency. And they should also showcase the username, timestamp, content, number of likes, and an edit button if you're the person who made the post. And then the profile page should have the number of followers, number of people you follow, and all your posts in reverse chronological order, which is just fancy words for order by recency, just like earlier. I'm going to open Foo's account. You can see the number of followers now is 2. I can unfollow them. I can see all his posts ordered in reverse chronological order. And the following section, where I should be able to see all of Foo's posts now that I followed him just now. Okay. And then the pagination functionality. After 10 posts, I will have to go to page number 2. There is no infinite scroll implemented for this project. And then the edit post functionality. I should only be able to edit one post because I only made one with this account. This is just an edited showcase. Pretty creative. Then finally the like and unlike functionality. And to like a couple of posts, and then I'll unlike them back because I'm feeling stingy today. Yep, that should be everything for Project 4 Network for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript.